Special events of my life. My trip to Puga Valle del Cauca. 2 years ago, on May 20, 2017, I had the opportunity to travel with my boyfriend to the city of Puga Valle del Cauca because we wanted to know that city, especially the Basílica del Señor de los Milagros de Buga, because I had heard much about the pilgrimage to that place. Many people in my municipality, Rosas Cauca, hired buses to go in large groups, and since I come from a Catholic family, I wanted to go to the Basilica. Then we proposed with my boyfriend to fulfill that desire for our first anniversary. We made it possible to go, and we did it. The day we decided to go early to leave the first bus leaving the terminal, approximately at 4 a.m. When we were on the way, we could see the beautiful landscape, large trees, sugar mills, and huge crops of caña panelera. We arrived at the Cali terminal, where we took a bus to Puga. We were somewhat worried because we didn't know that Puga was a bit far away, and we thought that we had left our destination. When we finally arrived, we asked where the basilica was located. We walked to look at the town. We realized that the people were very kind and that the rate, especially when arriving at the basilica, was abundant because they sell many religious items and there are restaurants. First, we went to breakfast. We had a delicious coffee, rice, trout, and salad. Then we could go to visit the image of Jesus Christ, who according to belief does miracles. There were many people queuing to enter. When we entered, we took some photos and left soon because we had to give away to other people. Then we went to the church. When we went out, we bought some details for our families and typical sweets. At 2 p.m., we decided to return. We took a bus to Cali, and from there we quickly found a bus that took us to Popayán. As we were so tired, we fell asleep. But I remember we woke up because in the middle of the road, two women were fighting. We retired soon to the shore. We went to Popayán to drink blackberry juice. Then we went to my boyfriend's house and decided to celebrate our anniversary there because we were tired, very tired. We had a cake and wine, and we were very happy to fulfill our dream together. We finally get to sleep.